Hello everyone, I'm Kit. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple kite. It's easy, but I recommend some grown-up help, alright? First you need some wooden sticks like balsa or bamboo. Tie them up to make a cross and add a dab of glue. Have an adult cut some notches, wrap around a string. By this point you should recognize a clearly kite-shaped thing. Choose your own material, paper, fabric, cat. On second thoughts, perhaps it's best. No, really, don't do that. Draw a pretty picture or some patterns, it's all good. Cut it, fold it, tape it down around the string and wood. Now, to make a bridle, tie a loop to these two places. This just lets the kite twist round, adjusting where it faces. Use a piece of ribbon or some string to make a tail. The longer that you make it, the smoother it will sail. The final step, attach the line, and on a windy day, go test it out. But just take care you don't get blown away!